Jeremy here, Jeeps Unlimited, 303-666-9020. This is a 03 to 06 Jeep Wrangler TJ frame. It is a 4-cylinder, I believe. Yes, this is a 4-cylinder frame. You could use it on a 6-cylinder frame. You could also use it on an earlier Jeep, but you'd have to switch a couple things around. We do sell the parts that you would need to do that. You can give us a call and we can get you those. It's a beautiful frame, nice, clean, rust-free. All the black paint you see on it is all factory paint from when it was new. It hasn't been cleaned up, doctored in any way, shape, or form. It came off a running and driving Jeep, as all of our Jeeps are. We spend a premium on them, and that way we get a premium frame out of them. Otherwise, we're chasing rust, and you're chasing rust, and it's no good for anyone. So a couple of my guys got a little lazy and left a couple of things on them, the shocks and the control arm, so those will come off. But if you need something like that, just give us a holler. We sell that stuff too. I don't really have to make this video very long because it's such a nice clean frame, but if there is something you see on it, question, comment, concern, feel free to give us a shout. I will flip it over so you do see the underside of it. Make sure that you, oh boy, these seems a little heavier than, especially as I've done the 20th one today. All right, so picked up a little dirt there. Yeah, actually picked up a lot of dirt there. So anyway, nice clean frame on the underside of it, beautiful. Areas that love to rot on these guys, belly pan, bolt holes, those are perfect. Nice clean threads, you'll be able to thread right back into them. Other areas love to rot out, especially in the Midwest, East Coast, are these inner frame rails. Both sides, these are beautiful, not a speck of rust on this thing anywhere. At your gas tank, above your gas tank skid, and then your rear support. So absolutely beautiful frame, one of the last ones I have this clean in a long time. Don't wait on it if it is something you need or have. If you have a 6-cylinder, this frame will still work. There is some things you have to do. You have to, one thing, you have to move the motor mounts up for your engine, but not a very difficult thing to do, and you can't beat it for what you're getting here, so it might be worth it for you. Give us a call if you have any questions, comments, concerns. Appreciate it. 303-666-9020. JeepsUnlimited.net. You can view this frame and others like it.